Yeah, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy. No more sketchy. We already been through that. I told y'all the name is gone. I gotta come up with a new intro. We'll think about that. Just wait on it. But it's Ill Will here today. Also has to change where you spell it because there's a lot of ill wills out there. DJ Ill Will, etc., etc. All of that. But anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about. I got something very dope to share with y'all. New sandals. These joints are so fire, coming straight from the boys at Sandalboyz.com. Go ahead and get you a pair. This video isn't sponsored, by the way, but I just like the product. So I don't know the backstory of the company or whatever, but it is a smaller company, but they do make high value products. These sandals are also, you just saw, these are the Salmon joints. They dropped in like August or September, somebody stopped by, so yeah, I had to stop recording for a second, but these joints are fire, bruh. Pink salmon color, dope shoe, packaging is nice, come with a nice little bag to carry them in, like a carrying bag, man. The material was amazing.
Look at this dude.
Got that new shoe smell. Have you ever known a sandal that had a new shoe smell? That's amazing. And then you can see the bottoms. So we about to take these joints I got off and throw on the new one. Yeah, get them out the way, you suckers. I really was in need of a new pair of sandals, boy, new slides, because I rock slides anywhere with any type of outfit, Because I really don't be caring, man. I just be wanting to do the thing sometimes. So here you go. Here they are on feet. Look at the side profile, the back or whatever. These joints are fire, man. So this is just a quick little video showing y'all my new sandals. Well, go and copy a pair. Pretty dope. Also follow them on Instagram. Follow them on Instagram at Sandalboyz. Spelled with a Z, not an S. So, yeah, man, I'm in love with these bad boys. They so fire. They amazing. You can wear them with anything. But that's all I got for y'all. Make sure to stay tuned for new videos, man. Just join the crew. We going up. It's the start of something amazing on this channel, man. I just want y'all to be there for it. I don't want you to be late. I want you to be able to say you was with me when I was at like 10 subs or like 200 subs or whatever. So that's got to be a dope feeling for you and for me too, knowing I got people watching me. Like, I can't wait till I got like triple digit. No, what am I talking about? 6 tuple digits, 6-digit number, like a meal or stuff like that. But that's all I got for now. Make sure you hit that sub button. Hope you like it.